So, your Fire Stick has decided it's taking the day off. Maybe you're staring at a black screen, the logo has been loading long enough to watch a movie, the remote isn't responding, or your TV keeps saying no signal like it's trying to be helpful. Don't worry, your Fire Stick is probably not dead. Most of these issues can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through simple troubleshooting steps to get everything working again. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. First, try a quick restart because this can fix freezing, lagging, and small system glitches. On your remote, press and hold the select button, which is the center button, and the play or pause button at the same time for about 10 seconds. Your Fire Stick should restart automatically. Once it turns back on, check if the problem is fixed. If not, move to the next step. Now do a full power cycle. Unplug the Fire Stick from the HDMI port and disconnect the power cable. Leave everything unplugged for about 60 seconds. After that, reconnect the power cable. Plug the Fire Stick back into the TV and turn the TV on. If the device was frozen or stuck on the logo, give it a few minutes and check if it moves past the startup screen. Next, check the power source. Make sure your Fire Stick is plugged into a wall outlet, not the USB port on your TV. Many TV USB ports do not provide enough power, which can cause black screens, boot loops, random restarts, or startup issues. Use the original adapter and cable if possible, and try another wall outlet if needed. After that, check the HDMI connection and TV input. Make sure your TV is set to the correct HDMI source where the Fire Stick is connected. If you see a no signal message, try another HDMI port. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove it and plug the Fire Stick directly into the TV. Also make sure all cables are firmly connected. Another common problem is overheating. Carefully touch the Fire Stick and see if it feels very hot. If it does, unplug it and let it cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes before trying again. Overheating can cause freezing, black screens, boot loops, and random shutdowns. If the remote is not working, replace the batteries with a fresh set first. If it still does not respond, press and hold the left button, menu button, and back button together for about 15 seconds. Wait a moment, then test the remote again to see if it reconnects. If your Fire Stick is not connecting to Wi-Fi, restart your router and modem. Wait until the internet is fully back, then restart the Fire Stick. After that, check if it reconnects. If it still fails, move the Fire Stick closer to the router and make sure you are selecting the correct Wi-Fi network and entering the correct password. Before we try the final option, I've added links to some of the accessories and replacement parts I recommend in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If nothing else has fixed the problem, try a factory reset as a last resort. Keep in mind that this will erase all apps, accounts, and settings. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, then choose Reset to Factory Defaults and follow the prompts. After the reset, you'll need to set up your Fire Stick again. Still not working? The issue may be hardware related, which could mean the device needs repair or replacement. That's it for this video. Hopefully one of these quick fixes got your Fire Stick back up and running. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and share your results or questions in the comments. See you in the next video.